We started to use 3DQuickPress and SolidWorks and PDM system recently. We understand it will take us some time to research how to maximize the benefits these systems may bring to us. This early stage requires us to do more preparative works, yet in this early run-in phase, we found there is a huge benefit in the die design planning and design checking. In many aspects, we enjoy much convenience compared to our old way of design process in 2D. Especially when we need to do many changes. All we need is to modify the 3D design, and all the associated downstream changes will follow automatically. From April this year, we completed 3 projects. Through this experience, we identify many new projects we shall use 3DQuickPress to handle. Regarding the role of support of ICT, the 3DQuickPress reseller, we found our success is highly linked to their support. Company like Paris Metal has been using 2D to do tool design for many years. We have minimal experience in 3D design in this short period. If the support resources are enough, our problems as a new user of 3DQuickPress can be got solved. We give immediate feedback whenever we face obstacle. It will help 3DQuick tools to find more solutions to our problems. Our engineers make use of network or internet to achieve concurrent engineering. Technology has evolved along with time. Time is a precious resource we cannot lose. Our engineers can make use of all the latest technologies to trim the production time and cost. I consider this is a good decision to invest and deploy. I am not over-worrying how our engineers make use of the internet. Many factories in China, they do have such worries how they use internet when they are allowed to access. I trust my engineers that they will use the facilities to speed up their works. When we roll out the concept that our work should follow the engineering team's direction, it is not easy to achieve without the right communication tools. Everyone may interpret the tool design in their own version. If the base is on 2D drawing, one can interpret the other's meaning in the wrong way in the 2D world. Every person has his own perspective. This is natural and normal. In the past, we claimed to follow the 2D production drawings to decide how our work to be conducted. This oversimplified the real situation. In the real world, every person read the 2D drawing with their own interpretation. Paris Metal is one of the earliest users of SolidWorks PDM system. Why we need to use PDM? Just like other big and small companies, today we need to handle a huge amount of information, like 2D drawings and customer modification requests. Errors are easily introduced in the tooling manufacturing cycle. What are the reasons behind? I think today there are too much data, and there is no effective way to consolidate the data to be used for effective manufacturing. The prime reason why we introduce PDM into our tooling manufacturing cycle is to consolidate data. We emphasize on the data uniqueness and its ability to share the data across the company network. It helps us to reduce errors. Consequently, our cost is reduced.
Paris Metal started to implement 3DQuickPress in April this year. It is targeted to improve our stamping manufacturing operations. Our approach is to choose engineers who has little 3D background to use 3DQuickPress. Within 3 months' time, they managed to handle 3 to 4 sets of tooling projects. The key benefit of using 3DQuickPress is the intuitiveness 2D design cannot match. 3D tool components help us in tool design change, product design change, and managing manufacturing process in shop floor. Overall, it improves our job efficiency. We found the number of tooling trial out is reduced very much. In the past, we need to conduct 6 to 7, or even more trial out for a tooling, if the design is done in 2D. The limitation of 2D tool design which drove frequent trial out is a kind of standard practice. After we migrated to 3D, even the apprentice engineer can roll out a die without going more than 3 trial outs. To cater of the change to 3D tool design, we needed to learn a new skill set of 3D modeling at the beginning. This requires us to invest time. Although 3DQuickPress comes with standard libraries, they are not the custom die components which we used in our own factories. We need to set up our own libraries with standard templates in the system. So the initial tool design cycle is longer than previous 2D environment. Paris Metal serves mainly the electronic component industries. Our customers include camera manufacturers. Although we had 3D systems in the past, we did not focus to make a switch. Beginning from April this year, we got the support from the management to use 3D tool design. Of course, the beginning is tough. After we acquired all the necessary success factors, we managed to complete the tooling jobs in a better and faster manner. Regarding the PDM system, I involved very much in this aspect. Based on our experience, I can tell that it requires less than a month to quick start the SolidWorks PDM system to meet the initial usage of a PDM system in factories of our scale. Of course, it will take longer time to tailor-make the PDM system to fit every stage and every aspect of our tooling manufacturing cycles. Today we are handling 20% of all our jobs in 3DQuickPress. We estimate there will be 80% of our jobs will be handled in 3DQuickPress in 2 to 3 years.